Hello developers and welcome back. In this section, we're going to build this amazing app called Quadratic Equation Solver. This app will use the data binding library to solve the quadratic equations. For example, here I'll start entering the constants a equals to 1, b equals to -3, and c equals to 2. If I click on solve equation, the roots will be x1 equals to 2 and x2 equals to 1. These are the roots for the quadratic equation. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. This app will use the data binding library. And data binding is a technique that allows you to bind UI components in your layout files directly to data sources in your app using a declarative format, rather than programmatically manipulating the views. It was introduced to simplify the code and make it more maintainable by reducing the boilerplate code associated with updating UI elements. It's a powerful tool for enhancing the separation of concerns in your Android app architecture. So let's start building this amazing app and master data binding library.